Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's video I'll be doing a quick tutorial basically about how you can allow search engines to crawl your website in WordPress. So this is basically a way that you can allow your website to be visible to search engines, because that's the best way search engines can possibly crawl your website. So when it comes to conducting WordPress SEO, that's a search engine optimization, the first thing you need to do before performing other SEO optimization on your website is to make sure that your website is very visible to search engine. For some of you guys that don't know what search engine is more like Google, where you type into Google and then you search a particular thing of interest. You can search a particular topic or the meaning of something just to get search results, whatever it is you are looking for. Or you can use Yandex or Bing. So these are search engines. So before your website can be indexed, it needs to be visible by those search engines so they can know what you have on your website. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can allow search engines to crawl your website. That is how you can make it visible to search engine. So once you are logged into your WordPress website, you need to know that you need to go to the settings section. So in the settings section, you're going to find a variety of options here. So the one we are going to be using in this video is the reading section, because that's where we can check out some things and where we can either enable or disable search engine from seeing our website, that is making our website visible to search engines. So once you get here, you're going to find an option here that says search engine visibility, and under it you're going to see discourage search engines from indexing your site. So once this is enabled, it will actually discourage search engine from indexing your website. So the search engines won't know what you have in your website, though there are some both in search engine that still penetrate your website even though you try to discourage them. But it is very advisable that you do not discourage search engines from indexing your website if you want your website to be indexed and if you want your post to appear in search results, just in case someone search for one particular thing and your post should appear. So once you see that this button right here is enabled, you have to make sure that you uncheck it, because if you do not uncheck it, it is going to remain enabled and it is not good. So this will prevent your website from being crawled or being indexed by a search engine. So now to discourage search engines, you have to click on this, then you save changes, but I do not recommend that you do this. So you just have to uncheck this and then you click on save changes. So if you realize that the button here is checked like this, if you find anything like this, just make sure that you uncheck it. So this is very, very important. You can see here it says it is up to search engines to honor this request. You can see what it says under this button, under this option here. It says it is up to search engines to honor this request. So once you find anything like this discouraged, you have to click on this. That is, you are not discouraging search engines again, so you are unchecking it, and then make sure you click on save changes to save the changes. So once you click on this, you have to wait for these changes to save. And secondly, once you have done this, you have to keep checking your post on search engines. You need to understand that once you publish a post immediately, it might take some days before a search engine can optimize your post before it can start appearing in search results. So you have to give your blog some days after performing this particular thing, after making sure you uncheck this and then you save changes. But if you build your blog from scratch, this will not be checked. I think it will be like this automatically. It's going to be like this. But if you tend to make some changes, make sure you don't discourage search engines from indexing your website unless you want to do that. So guys, I'm going to be rounding this video up right now. I believe by now you guys should know how you can allow search engines to crawl your website. So I will see you guys in the next tutorial. If you have any question, please use the comment section, and of course make sure you stay tuned for my next tutorial. Bye.